Hold the brake handle. Turn on the power. Press the meter button 3 times. Hold on the third press for 3 seconds. Then the speed limit is removed. Repeat the process. This will set the limit, and it will restrict speed again. After the customer removes the mudguard, this area had hot melt glue, so take it out. Once removed, use a pick tool. Loosen the clip at the top here. Detach and loosen it up. Once loosened, it can be removed. This is the broken tail light. There is a nut here. It needs to be unscrewed. Then remove the whole thing. Install the new tail light. Install the new tail light. Make sure the screw holes align below. Align the screw holes at the top as well. Then tighten the screws. After tightening the screws, let's explain how to reconnect the pin connector. Hold it in this way. Notice this white side. It's slightly white. It should align on the left-hand side. The wire with white stripes is on the left. Ensure it's on the left. The all-black wire goes to the right. This connector has a small burr. Ensure the burr faces upwards. Push it in slightly. Once inserted, reconnect the wires. Lock them. Use glue to secure if possible. That's it for installation. For replacing the battery, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver or a Phillips bit. First, unscrew the screws on the light cover. The other side same. And one more at the bottom. Next, remove the front cover. Take out the controller. Remove the 4 waterproof stickers underneath the frame. There are 4 holes below. Peel off the waterproof stickers. Use a heat gun to heat the 4 screw columns. This helps loosen the screws. After heating, use a hex wrench. Insert it from the bottom. Loosen the folding base screws. Unscrew them. Once the screws are off, next, locate the battery's power cable. Disconnect it. Unplug the charging port cable. Once removed, there's a strap on the battery. Grab the strap and pull the battery out. Pull it out completely. Once the battery is out, insert the new battery similarly. Slide the battery all the way in. Push it firmly. Reconnect the charging port and power cable. Once connected, install the folding base screws. Tighten them. Align and tighten them. After securing the base screws, once tight, reinsert the controller into the frame. After reinsertion, put the front panel back. Tighten the front panel screws. Lastly, fix the bottom screws. And that completes the replacement.